Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract RAR and ZIP archives on Motorola Moto E6s. And to do this we'll need to open a RAR app. I shown you previously on how to download it. Now locate the file that you want to unpack, click on it. You should enter the RAR file if it's not protected by a password. Now press on this arrow pointing up to extract entire archive. You can change any extraction options right here, and I'm just going to go with a different direction where the files will be unpacked. So click on the browse and select your designation. I want them right here. Click on OK. You can change any options and then click on OK again. That way you should be able to unpack your file, and here we have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.